So, guys, I'm heading out, and I got a long flight to Mogadishu. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the airport and then catch my flight to Turkish Airlines to Istanbul, and then from Istanbul to Mogadishu. It's been really lovely. A couple of days that I've had here, really enjoyed it. Fabulous weather, great people, great environment, great hospitality, and really enjoyed Finland. So our next stop shall be in the snow on our way towards the airport, and then from there catch our flight, like I said, to Istanbul, and then we have like a 4-hour layover in Istanbul, and then straight to Mogadishu. So guys, let's go to Somalia. Guys, I really enjoyed it. Let's go to the airport. Let's go, bro. I think it's already. Yeah, man, the last couple of days has been very cold, but really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. Fabulous. Like I said, I haven't seen snow in a long while, man. It was great to enjoy it. Thank you, Holiday Inn, for your hospitality, and yeah, for your privacy. Thank you, guys. Right, guys, man, I had a lovely time here. Really cold, but very lovely people. I've just received some chocolate from people who just saw me sitting here, and I think that's a wonderful gesture, really beautiful. And the hospitality of Finland has really been amazing, and really do appreciate you guys. And hopefully I will come back to Finland again in the summer when it's not like this anymore. So yeah, Finland, thank you very much, and thank you for the peppermints. Right. So yeah, guys, we had a good shopping. Bought a bag. I needed a travel bag, and I also bought some nice jeans. And it is pretty cold, but it's good, man. It feels good, and really enjoyed my time here in Vantaa. Very beautiful, as you can see, man. This place, it is cold, but it is beautiful, man. Helsinki, I fell in love with you guys, really, man. Really fell in love with Helsinki, Finland, the whole of Finland. I really fell in love with it, and it really has been a pleasure to be here. And yeah, man, I really like to visit here again for a holiday during the summer, especially because as you can see, it's really freezing, and I'm trying to be brave and only have my scarf on, but I'm used to the cold. I grew up in London, England, so I understand how the temperature can be around here, but it feels good, man. So let's go back to my hotel, and then I'm going to take my bags, go to Vantaa International Airport, and then catch my flight. So I'll see you guys en route to Vantaa, because we have to take a bus, remember. If you saw my last videos, you will see that I had to take a bus to town, and I'll do that again. So guys, let's go, and thank you, Vantaa, for the hospitality. Maybe it's Maybelline. Wow, guys, look at all that snow, man. unbelievable, man. You know, snow makes everywhere look beautiful. No matter how cold it is, it really makes the environment really, really beautiful. And yeah, man, that's my hotel, Holiday Inn. That's where I'll be staying the last couple of days while I was in Vantaa. And yeah, woo, check that out, man. That water, it's nearly becoming cold. Ice. I hear that there's certain places where, you know, you can skate. So but I have to come back here in the summer, guys. I really have to, because I heard that there's a lot of vibes in the summer. So let's go. So guys, we're leaving back to Mogadishu, and then we're gonna have a quick layover in Istanbul. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, heading to Istanbul, and then hopefully, inshallah, to Mogadishu. So let's go, guys.
Ilmoitus. Kortti sulkiutuu ja teillä on sitä niin valitettavasti.
So guys, we just landed in Istanbul. Well, I haven't been to this new Istanbul airport, but it looks very nice. This is what airport? Somalia. So, our flight, Mogadishu. What is that? 2K. Really, bro?
Puolen tunnin päästä. Et kannattaa varmaan odottaa tuota meidän opasta lähteessä.
Some flight Mogadishu. Still got a long time. This is the new airport in Istanbul. I've never really traveled on this airport, but let's go and see. So guys, this is my first time in the new airport in Istanbul. Yeah, it's not as big as the one before. The one that we used to travel on, I think it was Atatürk International Airport. That was big, but this one, I think it's been smoothed out for international travelers. So let's go and explore and see the new airport in Istanbul. All right, let's go. Way to Mogadishu. Inshallah, see you guys later. Bye bye, Istanbul. It's very nice having you.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, but we don't like cold and we like hot like that. See you guys in Mogadishu, inshallah.